In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an Etsy shop and discuss the 3 different ways you can handle the process. Whether you're taking a pause or planning to step away permanently, it's essential to know the right steps to ensure a smooth transition. First, let's go over how to permanently close your Etsy shop. To get started, you'll need to log into Etsy using the desktop version, as the mobile platform doesn't support this feature. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Shop Manager. This will take you to your shop's main dashboard. From there, navigate to the Settings menu and select Options. Within this section, you'll find a tab called Close Shop, usually located as the last tab on the right. Clicking on Close Shop will prompt you to make sure a couple of important tasks are completed. Before you can finalize the closure, all your open orders must be fulfilled or canceled. Additionally, it's crucial to resolve any outstanding cases or disputes that might be open under your shop. Also, don't forget to withdraw any available funds from your payment account to avoid losing access to them after closing your shop. Once these conditions are satisfied, you'll be asked to choose a reason for closing your shop. You might select an option such as no longer selling on Etsy, or choose another reason that best fits your situation. After specifying your reason, confirm the closure by clicking on Close Shop again. And just like that, your Etsy shop will be closed. However, it's important to note that your Etsy account will remain active, meaning you can still shop on the platform or even choose to reopen your shop if you decide to do so in the future. It's worth considering why closing the shop might be the best option for you. Sometimes life changes and continuing to sell might not be feasible, or maybe you're exploring other business ventures. Whatever the reason, this process makes sure that everything is tied up neatly. Remember, if you're not ready to close permanently and might want to come back, Etsy allows you to put your shop on vacation mode. This way, your shop looks like it's paused to visitors, and you can handle ongoing orders without accepting new ones. By following these detailed steps, you ensure that when you're ready to close your Etsy shop, you're doing so confidently and effectively. This plan will help you manage everything efficiently without any hiccups. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more tips on managing your online business.